Call it networking,
affiliate marketing,
direct selling,
referral marketing.
Call it whatever you want. It's already a $100 billion a year business.
A business that you can do part-time or full-time and can be started at home with no large capital outlay, low overhead, no employees, and no special business expertise or technical skills. A business that allows you to work your hours for your goals.
A business that offers time freedom, financial freedom, and a franchise-like, step-by-step business plan. And according to most experts, a home-based business offers incredible tax advantages.
What are you waiting for?
Think e-commerce is going away?
Statistics show that 96% of adults ages 25 to 44 are looking to own their own business.
The only question is, are you ready?
I think if people could really grasp the power of the internet, they would drop everything they're doing right now today and learn as much about it as they could. There's 1.5 billion users on the internet right now.
Aaron Parkinson said people are so desperate for leadership. You could light yourself on fire, walk down the street, and people would follow you to watch you burn. And it's so true that people both need leaders and I think want to become leaders. I truly believe that everybody has leadership potential inside of them. When I was looking for a company to invest my time, my money, my energy, and essentially my future, one of the most important things, if not the most important thing, was going to be the leaders of the company, the founders, the people that started the company, why they started it, what was their philosophy. And when I found Carbon Copy Pro, I could see it was a slick marketing system. I could see that it had a great compensation plan. But I also had to look at the leadership. And then when I started to learn more about Jay and Aaron, the fact that they had already made millions in this industry, they could have walked away. They didn't need to make any more millions. They're both multi-millionaires in their own right. But they wanted to create Carbon Copy Pro as an opportunity for entrepreneurs to leverage everything they'd learned, all the mistakes they've learned, and how hard they work individually to be the leaders of the leaders. And I really bought into Jay's, both their philosophy of the mission to create 100 millionaires, because I can see myself becoming one of them, and they have the system to help everybody else become one of them. So I can't say enough about those guys on a business level, on a personal level, and I'm looking forward to a long-term friendship and a long-term business partnership with them both. Your income and your success is going to be directly proportionate to your personal value in the marketplace. To have that value in the marketplace, you need the skills. To get the skills, you have to be educated, which is why we place such a strong emphasis on education. Now, when I came across Pro, it was May of 2008, and I was on the verge of bankruptcy. Things had gotten so bad for me, I was actually living in my mother's spare room back in England, and this was my last shot. It was do or die. When you come across something like Carbon Copy Pro, and you can see leadership like Jay and Aaron, Mike Force, Andrew Cass, and you're in the company of high integrity millionaires with a great marketing system, with a great set of products, it's very easy to get excited about that and take that to the marketplace with absolute conviction. An income of $45,000 in the month of November, which was an insane amount an incomprehensible amount of money for me. It allowed me to move away from my mom's spare room, out of the UK, across to the Caribbean, which is where I live now. And, my life is just a dream come true now. Much more than that, though. It's the money and the material things are great, but it's now about me being able to really fulfill my life's mission on a personal level. I'm able to help my family. I'm looking forward to helping my mom retire to Spain. She thought she was probably going to be stuck in the United Kingdom in the cold, wet and grey for the rest of her life, but now that I've, got the finances, I can help mom move to Spain, help the rest of my family have what I want, and empower and educate millions of others to do the same. It's probably the most gratifying thing that I have ever done, and I truly believe it's my calling in life and my mission and my purpose. I think when you realize you have talents and skills, and you can use that to such amazing use to help other people change their lives, play the greatest game, money aside, that is what I get my greatest pleasure from. So, to see somebody develop their leadership potential and go from a difficult financial situation to prosperity, to becoming a greater person is, I know I'm going to look back on this life and I've done a good job.